Hey everyone, welcome back to another plan with me. This week we are going to be using this kit from my Etsy planner sticker shop, and this one is called Unsinkable, and I think it's very obvious what the inspiration for this one is. So if you guys would like to purchase this planner sticker kit, I will have a link to it below. So first things first, I think I just forgot to hit record or something, and I looked up at my camera and it was off, and so that's why I already have a few stickers already placed, and I kind of had to like redo the intro shot with like showing all the pages of the sticker kits. So I guess that was a bad on my part, so sorry about that. But like I said, this kit is inspired by the movie Titanic, and I absolutely loved Titanic. I remember like watching it at my house. Like my family had some kind of like, I think it was like some kind of dinner party or something. I don't know. Either way, I'm probably going to be showing my age a little bit, but I was definitely like a little bit young for watching Titanic when I remember watching it for like the very first time. But it's one of those movies that is like an absolute classic, and I knew that I wanted to kind of do a little bit more of like pop culture-y kind of sticker kits designs. So this was a very obvious one that I wanted to do. I actually have so many different sticker kits that I have like 50% designed or 75% designed, but I just haven't like completed the kits, and I'm really bad about that, of starting a kit, coming up with an idea. I pick all the color palettes, I'll go through and start doing like the icons, and then when it gets to like designing the full box pages, that's when like my inspiration just kind of like plummets. So I have so many like half designed or like mood board kits and things like that, and then I just for some reason can't like finish them up. That's probably one of the hardest things I have been trying to break lately, is like starting a new sticker kit design, getting halfway through, and then just like petering out. But this is actually one kit I'm like super proud of, and I'm always trying to like get better at like my digital illustration skills and things like that, and it's definitely one of those things that I have had to really like work on. It doesn't come as naturally to me as I feel like some other like digital illustrators, like they just have this talent, and I feel like I have to work a little bit harder at it. So doing like fun kits like this really kind of push the box a little bit for me and make me kind of have to get out of my comfort zone a bit, which is another thing you will notice. Oh my gosh, this is a sticker kit that does not have the color pink in it. I know pink is like my absolute favorite color, but I'm also trying to, kind of branch out a little bit and try some different styles and different color palettes and different things like that. And overall, I do still really like this kit. And I was also trying to work on my skill of like illustrating people. I'm the worst when it comes to illustrating people. I don't know why, but sometimes like you'll see illustration or fan art or anything like that, and you'll see like, oh, I can tell who this is supposed to be, but it just doesn't quite look right. And I am definitely the worst at trying to like illustrate someone, and it's like kind of uncanny. So this is definitely a kit that kind of was putting a lot of different things to the test for me as like a digital illustrator. And this is one that, even though there's totally things that I can work on and improve on and everything like that, I am still pretty happy with how this kit turned out. And I just like that stylistically it's still my style, but there's just a little bit different kind of boxes in here. And overall, I really do like how this one turned out, and trying to like push the boundaries of like my skills and things like that, and just trying to do different things. So I definitely really like how this kit turned out, and I definitely want to do more kits kind of like this in the future. Like I said, I do have so many like half-started kits, but I definitely have a lot of like ideas of like pop culture things that I want to do, like TV shows or movies and things like that. And once again, it's just so hard for me to like complete a kit, especially these days. I don't have a whole lot of time to really dedicate to like designing new things, even though like I want to and I have that like urge, but I just don't have the time with like my work schedule and everything right now. So I'm hoping hoping that once I get past this tax season, I will be able to have a little bit more free time to really kind of put more effort into my sticker shop. It's definitely one of those things that I'm trying to put more effort into it, because it's one of those things that I cannot believe when I say this, that this year, around I think September this year, will be 9 years ago that I started my sticker shop. And that kind of blows my mind, like in several ways. Like, number one, the first thing that kind of blows my mind is just that it's been that long. And number two, that also means it's been 9 years since I graduated college, and that kind of like makes me want to like curl up in a shell and die a little bit. But I really do want to try to put more effort into my planner sticker shop. Especially with having so many different like creative outlets that I like to do, and different like streams of income that I have, like my YouTube channel, my sticker shop, my real world job, my soap shop, and everything like that. I kind of go in like these waves of, I guess the best way to describe it is like, not, I guess, inspiration. I guess like there will be a period of time where I'm just really all in on my soap shop, and I'm like reinvigorated, and I've got ideas and things that I want to create. And so I put a whole bunch of time into just my soap shop, and then I kind of let everything else kind of fall to the wayside a little bit. Now YouTube, I tend to never really let that fall to the wayside, but I definitely go back and forth as far as like my soap shop and my planner sticker shop. I tend to kind of go in these waves on like, okay, I'm really into my soap shop right now and putting a whole bunch of effort into that. And then I let the sticker shop go, and then I totally flip flop and I'm really into my planner stickers and like coming up with new kits. And then I kind of let the soap shop kind of be on autopilot. So I'm trying to get better at balancing all of those things, but I do find like with these type of creative things, I just find that like my brain kind of goes in these cycles, and there's not really much I can do about that. And then it's just like my creativity just kind of like goes into like this like spiral. It's like, okay, I'm either like an all or nothing kind of person. I have to just like put everything into soap at the moment, or put everything into like my planner stickers and things like that. So it's just one of those things that I've never been able to like balance everything all at once and give everything like an equal amount of like care and attention and things like that. It's just one of those things. I don't know how I break that. I don't know if that's something I can break, or if that's just part of me or part of my nature. I definitely think that's probably more the case more than anything. But yeah, I'm definitely kind of falling back into like a really like digital illustration kind of phase right now. And I usually find like these kind of like creative bursts tend to last, I would say maybe like 2 to 3 months. So that's probably another thing. If you guys watch my channel, I haven't had any soap videos out for a while, and the funny thing is I actually have quite a few soap videos that I have filmed, but I just never ended up editing them, and it's just been a bit. And so I'm kind of hoping to maybe bring some more like soap making content to my channel back soon, because I do have all these videos and things that I put a lot of time and effort into, like making and filming and all that stuff, but I just never got around to filming those. So I definitely find that someone like me who has a lot of different interests and hobbies and passions and businesses, it's definitely hard for me to balance it all. But I just find that kind of the cyclical nature of it all is really just how my brain tends to work. So sorry this video got cut a little bit short, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on social media. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.